We are looking at the last part of the gas law, which is known as the ideal gas equation. And the ideal gas equation shows the relationship that exists between pressure, volume, the gas constant, the number of moles of the gas, and the temperature. So mathematically, this can be stated as PV is equal to nRT, where our P is the pressure, and this pressure can be in millimeter mercury. It can also be measured in Pascal, or it can be measured in atmosphere, known as ATM. Then we have V, which is our volume, and this volume can be measured either in meter cube or in centimeter cube. Then we have N to be the number of moles of the gas, number of moles. Then we have our R, which is known as the gas constant. And the gas constant, it has a value which is 8.314 joule per mole. And then we have our T, which is the temperature. And temperature, as we all know, can either be measured in degrees Celsius, which you will need to convert to Kelvin, or it can be given to you in Kelvin. Straightforward. So with this, we can be able to solve one or two questions on the ideal gas equation. Let us go straight into solving the questions.